Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Facebook account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Facebook account from your desktop, let's open up our preferred browser. As you can see, I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in facebook.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be redirected to this page, or you can just simply search for Facebook login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the Facebook login or sign up over here. Click over there, and over here you can see both of these pages are same, so let's close one of these. Now to log into your Facebook account, you'll be required to enter your email over here. You can see my email is on autofill, and after that enter your password over here and then click on login to sign into your Facebook account. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgot password option available over here. Click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Facebook, you can see the create a new account option available over here. Click on create new account to go through a procedure to register an account on Facebook. Now let's log into our Facebook account. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.